Hello students, how are you? I am sure that all of you will be safe and sound at your home. My dear students, regarding our previous discussion, we have already finished the topic related with our literature section. Today, we have to start a new topic related with our literature also. So all of you minutely, carefully and seriously focus my today's videos and follow me. Chapter 2 related with our literature moments, and the topic here like the adventure of Toto. It's the creation of Ruskin Bond. My dear students, just before going to discuss any fact related with the story, first of all, I would like to provide you a brief description related with the story writer as well as the author. Ruskin Bond was born on 19th May 1933. Is an Indian author of British descent. He lives with his adopted family in London, Missouri, India. The Indian Council of Child Education has recognized his role in the growth of children's literature in India. He was awarded the Sahitya Akademi Award in 1992 for Our Trees Still Grow in Dehra. His novel in English. He was awarded the Padma Shri in 1999 and the Padma Bhushan in 2014. Now, my dear students, just after providing a brief description related with the author as well as the story writer, we must know that how many characters play their vital role in this story. That's why we have to know about the characters. First one here like Toto, it's a monkey. Second one, that's the grandfather. Third one here like grandmother. Fourth one as Tonga driver. Next one like ticket collector. And last one here like Nana as a female donkey. Just after getting idea related with these direct characters, we have to focus about others character also. These other characters like first one the tortoise, second a pair of rabbit. Third one, that's the goat. And last one here like a squirrel. Now something about the spare, scene, place, etc. First one here like railway station. Second, a private zoo and a famous city here like Dehradun as well as Saharanpur. Now, just before going to start the discussion related with the topic, we must know about a very important as well as brief description related with the story. The instinctive characteristics of a living being are generally difficult to change, and trying to do so is very painful for the animal, bird, etc. It is necessary to respect every creation of God and allow them to live the way that has been prescribed for them by the Almighty Creator. My dear students, just after having a lot of ideas, informations related with the story, next day we shall have to start the summary of the story. So all of you minutely, carefully wait for next day. Thanks a lot. God bless you and hope to see you again.